welcome back to my channel. Lashonda Capri here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I turned my fireplace from this into this. So I had my husband cut up a piece of really thick cardboard to cover up the face of the fireplace, and I'm going to be showing you what I did step by step. I went to Michael's, picked up some paint, and Home Depot and picked up some paint. Also, I had some leftover paint that I'm going to be using. So originally we had something else covering up the fireplace, but like I said, we do not use this fireplace at all. And I wanted to kind of decorate it up and, you know, make it look better than what it is. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's just jump straight to the video. This is how it came out. This was super easy, super fast, and super fun to do. I will do a more updated video once it's all decorated to our likings. I think it came out great. We literally just took a piece of cardboard and did this. Super easy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that we did these canvas pictures as a family and they came out great and they matched perfectly. I thought this was a really good idea, being that our last name starts with a G, and I just threw in this basket with this blanket in it for now. But yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video.